Guys, I have a problem. My older daughter realized how much she liked those German cakes too, so I'm hoping they have more. I forgot to look last week when I came around the cabinet, so I'm trying to get more of the cherry tarts to stock my freezer because now I have to share with more than just myself. But we also have a busy week with volleyball, and that means I need to get quick dinners for the week. I'm gonna get in the store, see what goodies they have, and don't forget at the end there will be a meal plan for the week. My son asked me to get these this week because his friend has them in class. Specifically asked for the Aldi turtles, $4.79. My family has declared that this bread is the best grilled cheese bread available. We're not making grilled cheese, but I know they still really liked it. $3.99. I'm gonna have this for the side when we have veggie soup this week. My son still loves me making him the Lunchables. It's like a chip salsa cheese, $1.99 for the chips. $1.99 for the cheese, which we'll also use for taquitos, and $2.19 for salsa. Sliced white bread for $1.29. I'm getting 3 mangoes this week because 2 wasn't enough last week. My kids just peel them and eat them. They love them. Also, kiwis were a huge hit, so I'm getting those again, $3.99. And red grapes are just super easy for lunch, $1.95, so my kids are going to get them again. Making roasted cauliflower for a side of a dinner and putting some in the vegetable soup, $2.59. $1.89 per pound for broccoli for stir fry. My daughter's gonna make stir fried rice and I know she wants broccoli in it, $1.89. My middle daughter Elsie wants salads in her lunch this week, so I'm gonna get some lettuce at $2.69 for the romaine hearts. Get baby cucumbers again. It's a quick win for lunches, $1.89. And I need more carrots for soup and for the salads. 2 pounds. $1.18. I need a dozen eggs. Are they good? Good. 2% milk, $2.71. I need heavy whipping cream, $4.69. I'm getting 2 cans of the fire roasted tomatoes for my soup, $1.15. $1.15 for 2 cans. I'm gonna do 2 cans of the tomato sauce as well for the vegetable soup, 45 cents a piece. And I'm gonna do 2 cans of sliced potatoes for the soup, 87 cents a piece. My son asked me to get these, but what kind of Aldi cereal price is that? I think I'm gonna pass. My Aldi finds aisle is quite torn up. Doesn't seem like too much new stuff here. A lot of the same things as last week. The circle signs on clearance. It's pretty cute. Oh, hello. Lots of them. I like the fall version, but I don't see a lot of new things here. These are new. One of the only new things I can see, an LED metal jack-o'-lantern. They have black and orange. Floating witch hats, $6.99. Front pillows. Oh, there's the giant spider web. Halloween bats, $9.99. Oh, they also have these really soft leggings and Halloween lights. Those are so cute. My son would love those. Lots of fun Halloween decorations over here. I really like this guy. That one's cute too. I am making Instant Pot ziti, but we use penne instead. So this is 98 cents for the box. I also need shaker parmesan, $2.95, and traditional red sauce for $1.49. We are low on garlic powder, 99 cents. I am also low on olive oil, $5.09. I'm going to get 3 cans of pumpkin. I give a couple tablespoons of this to my dog every day, $1.39. veggie stock as the base to my vegetable soup, $1.45. And I don't use a recipe. I kind of make it up. I dump everything in a crock pot, heavily season it. My kids love it. I completely ran out of brown sugar, and I like to have extra in my pantry, so I'm going to grab one to refill my container and another one to put in my pantry. $2.15 a piece. Saw red stickers at the chicken area, but we like to buy chicken breasts, so someone else will be happy though. Nothing on the chicken breast. I don't need any. I have so much in my freezer, but if it was a good deal, I would stock up. My family loved the first box, so I'm gonna get another one of these while they have them. Very good pretzels, $4.79. Oh, I was thinking maybe I'll get onion rings, but they're spicy chicken rings. Interesting. Butter chicken, chicken schnitzel. I haven't tried those yet. Can't report back on them. Looks like a lot of the similar things from previous weeks. Does that mean I'll be in luck for my German dessert? Probably not. These still are not selling well. Pumpkin feta flatbread, $3.99. I will pass on that. Breakfast pizzas. Every year I see these ghost-shaped or pumpkin-shaped pizzas. Cute. Stuffed nachos. Okay. Egg sandwiches. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna get lucky here because I only see apple tarts. But the good news is the daughter that loves the cherry also loves apple. So maybe if I get her apple tarts, she'll leave my cherry tarts alone. $3.89. I'll get her these, 2 of them. Okay, my girls are still on their hummus kick again, $2.49. They went years. I was buying this every week, and then they just stopped wanting it. But it's back. Not what I wanted. Mexican style cheese, getting it for $2.89. Shredded cheddar, $2.89. And then for the ziti, I need mozzarella, $3.69. Oh, they have all these fun cheeses. Black garlic cheddar. I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna try that one. Death by garlic. There's cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, Wensleydale cheese, Wensleydale cheese, a sage derby, the Freaky Franken, and then Batnet crazy cheddar aged. I'll get this one, $4.29. Getting cauliflower rice for the stir fry. Half rice, half stir fry, $1.99. And then sweet peas just for a side with dinner, $1.59. For the soup, I'm gonna get this. And actually, instead of the fresh veggies, we'll get one of these and we'll have together a real nice vegetable makeup for our soup. $1.09, 87¢. I want to have these on hand for dinners. I'm gonna get 2 of them, $1.09. They're just great to have on hand, and I'm low. My kids love these. They're just nice to have on hand again. $6.39. 89 cents. I see 3 of them. I'm gonna grab all 3. Okay, here is it all. Any guesses on my total? Time to check out. Okay, I spent $119.04. Now let's go home and see my meal plan. Okay, our meal plan for the week, we're having baked potato bars. I make baked potatoes, and I'll have everything from shredded cheese, steamed broccoli, bacon crumbles, sour cream, butter, lots of things that we have on hand. So this is a good used pantry item week. I have taquitos in the freezer, both from Aldi and Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's has a really good black bean that my vegetarian loves. I'm gonna have rice with that. I'm gonna make ziti. This is in the Instant Pot. My daughter Elsie requested this. We'll have frozen peas and garlic bread that I have on hand for that. Vegetable soup. I put everything in the crock pot. I'll link below to a quasi recipe, but I honestly don't follow a recipe. I just put everything in a crock pot. Veggie broth, tomatoes, tomato sauce, whatever veggies I either need to use up or I buy, and I put in the crock pot all day. Italian seasoning, oregano, salt, pepper, really season it well. And then we'll have the Italian bread, butter, and cheese. My family loves that. Stir-fried rice. I we'll have leftover rice from the taquitos, which is really good for stir fry. And then we mix it with the cauliflower rice. And then again, I don't use a recipe for this. My older daughter, Mila, actually wants to make this. We'll see if she actually makes it, because last time she said that, I ended up making it. She changed her mind. But vegetables, and then we use soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, very basic seasoning, but it's really yummy, packed full of veggies. All my kids love that. But I don't use a recipe for that either. I'll link below again to one I quasi could send you to. Carry out pizza just end of the week, and then we'll have a leftover night. So that's our meal plan for the week. If you want to see us having a baked potato bar in action, you can go to a really old video where I share it right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.